Hi Oli, Mrs. Barrett here, and today I'm going to show you how to use your Google Calendar. There's a couple different ways you can go to Google Calendar. You can go up to your waffle and go to Calendar, or you can also go through Classroom. We're going to go through Classroom today. And then you'll see all of your classes. You just pick a class and go to Classwork and Google Calendar. So I'm also using my son's account again today so you guys can see what a student's account looks like, and he did give me permission. But as long as your teacher has included a due date in the assignment, it will automatically show up in your calendar. So you can see these are his assignments. If you click on an assignment, it'll bring up what you have to do and also give you a link to take you directly to the assignment. You can also come over here and you can pick what classes you actually want on there. I mean, you should have all your classes clicked, but just so you see, like, if I just click this one, it goes away, and I can click it again, and they come back. If you would like to create your own calendar, so let's say you have a job, you would just come over to other calendars, hit the plus sign, and create a new calendar. Let's say I have a job, and then, where I work, which would be nice, Starbucks. But then create calendar, and then come back to settings, and you have it over here, job. And then you could put in what when you have to work. You can also, if you want to create a time, so let's say Tuesday, Thursdays, he has co-ed conditioning. So you can click on here, and we're going to do co-ed conditioning. You can add a time, which is at 3:30. You can have it repeat, so daily, weekly on Tuesdays. You can custom, so it's Tuesday and Thursdays. And you can add a location, so it's at Olympic High School, and then save, and it pops up on your calendar. So I think that's about it for calendar. If you have any questions, just let us know, and hope you guys have a great day.